Hello friends, welcome back to Dragon E-commerce YouTube channel. Here I am 𝐷𝗫𝗍𝗫 and today we will discuss that what is Amazon PPC and how to run ads on Amazon. So let's discuss first that what are Amazon ads and what is the actually PPC, which is also known as pay-per-click, and let's proceed with it. If you go to Amazon, we always love to give examples, so that's why I'm just giving it. It will make your concept clear. So if you go to Amazon buyer account and you search any random word, for example bat, for example, and you will see a lot of products here. And here if you see, it's written here sponsored. If you see with this part, also written here sponsored, and this is also sponsored part. And if you go to the bottom, you will see some listings with the sponsor tab. See, so these all papers are running PPC campaigns to make them parts visible in the top searches. It means that when I search this keyword bat, they are paying to Amazon that when anybody will search the keyword bat, Amazon will show their product in top searches and they will pay to Amazon for this. So this is Amazon PPC. I think so this concept is clear now, and now we will proceed to our Amazon Seller Central and we will learn that how and where from we can create campaigns of PPC to our part in sponsors. So if you go to Amazon Seller Central and we go to the menu tab, here you see the tab of advertising. So definitely to run the PPC campaigns, you will need to have the product listed on your Amazon Seller Central. Definitely, it's very clear. You just have to click on Campaign Manager, and you will see this page. You will see soon. Definitely this one. It's loading, and because I am already running some campaigns, and they are working a little good. And here you see the option of create campaign. If I want to create the new campaign, I will just click on create campaign. Because this is a new Seller Central, so definitely we are going to spend a lot. We have spent £60 and we have made only 1035 because these are listings are new, so don't mind about it. So here you see the option of create campaign. You will click on it. Always we have two types of campaigns. One is manual campaign, the other one is automatic campaign. Let me tell you the difference. The manual campaign means that we will just give our product to Amazon and we will tell Amazon that our product is in the category of women, and then Amazon will decide that on which keywords our product will appear in top searches. And in manual campaign, definitely it's clear with the name. In manual campaign, we will uh, choose the keywords. We will choose a specific keywords that on these keywords only show our product on Amazon in first pages. So I think the difference is clear. Let me tell you again. On Amazon, when we talk about the campaigns, we have two types of campaigns. One is called automatic campaign. The other campaign is called manual campaign. In automatic campaigns, we just give our product to Amazon and Amazon decides that on which keywords our products will appear in top searches. But in manual campaign, we tell Amazon the keywords that please show our product on these keywords. So I think now it's clear. So let's proceed with this page. We have three tabs here. One is sponsored products, second one is sponsored brands, and third one is sponsored display. Let me tell you what is sponsored product. If I go to Amazon page, you see this is also sponsored. Here it is written sponsored. This person is running this campaign. This campaign sponsored brand, because he is sponsoring not only his product but also he is sponsoring his brand, whose name is this one. So this is called sponsored brand. And if you go to sponsored products, this person is running, this seller is running the sponsored product campaign. And if we go here, the sponsored display, this one, if you go to any listing, you will see some sponsored products. Sometime they appear here, sometime appear they here, and sometime in the bottom. Just write you will see it's written sponsored. These all pods are sponsored and they are using sponsored display campaign. So I think now these all three tabs are clear to you. We have three tabs: sponsored products. If you just want to sponsor our pods, we will proceed with this and we will click on continue. And if you want to proceed with sponsored brands, then we click on continue. And if we want to sponsor our brand, and if you want to proceed with sponsored display, we will just click on continue from here. If you do not understand what I am saying, just to repeat this video, pause this video and watch again. Okay, now we are going with sponsored pods. Click on continue. As I told you already, we have two types of campaigns. Keep in mind, one campaign is known as automatic campaign and the second campaign is known as manual campaign. From here we can give the name to the group. For example, we are selling multiple different pods. This stands in the different categories. Then we can just give here the name. For example, I am selling the clothing pods or also the shoes pods. Then I will give the name, the group 1 for the clothing and the group 2 for the shoes, so it will be easy for me to recall them. So here I can write the group name. For example, I can just write the Gunani tops. Okay, when I will scroll down, that Amazon will ask me these are your power listings and on which listing you want to run the PPC campaign. So I will just select my listing from here. For example, I want to run the PPC campaign on this listing. I will just click on add. This product will appear right here. Alright, I will scroll down. Here you see these are the two types of campaigns. It's clear here. As I told you, we have two types: automatic campaigns and the second one is manual campaign. So let's proceed with the automatic campaign first to teach you. Okay, here I am just setting the bid. This is 0.12. It means that when Amazon will display my product on the top, I will pay to Amazon 0.12. Okay, enter the list and separate each item with the new line. Negative keywords targeting mean if I want that Amazon please do not show my product on the specific keywords, then I can just type those keywords here. For example, I do not want to show my product on this keyword, men's tops, for example, and I can just click on select the keyword and click on add keyword. Now what Amazon will do, Amazon will not display my product in sponsored on this keyword. So this is the very interesting thing to understand. So do not forget to watch again this video. Negative product targeting, it means that if I want that Amazon please do not show up my listing with the specific essence. It means that sometime Amazon start displaying our product in sponsored with some similar pods and sometimes with the unfamiliar pods. So you can just negative pod targeting from here, same as negative we do negative keyword targeting. Then scroll down. Here we have the campaign bidding strategy. First one is dynamic bid down only. It means that if some other sellers who are also running the PPC campaigns and they are paying more than my bid, just keep my bid down. And the second one is dynamic bid up and down only. It means that if Amazon will need to update my bid, Amazon can upgrade my bid. For example, I am paying to Amazon 0.12 pounds, and if it will be needed, Amazon just can extend this bid to 1 pound or 1.5 pound. So this is called dynamic bid up and down. And the third one is fixed bids. It means that if I am bidding 0.12 pound to display my product on some keywords, then Amazon will just show up my product on these keywords when I will win the bid on 0.12 pound. I think now it's clear to you. Scroll down. Here you have to write the campaign name. The campaign you are running, you can just write the campaign name. Here the start date when this campaign will start, and here you will select the end date when this campaign end. I will suggest you, when you are new seller on Amazon, start with automatic campaigns first and run them 3 to 4 weeks. I just selected the random date. Daily budget means, for example, I set 30 pounds the daily budget. It means that when my 30 pounds will end up, Amazon will stop this campaign automatically. So this lecture is very important. Rewatch this lecture. Definitely you will need to do it. Okay, now let's discuss how we can create the manual campaign. You will give the group name same as for the automatic. You will add the port for which you want to run the PPC campaign, same as we did for the automatic campaign. From here you have to click on manual campaign, because now we are going to run the manual targeting. Okay, then Amazon give us the option keyword targeting. We want to target the keywords or we want to target the product targeting. This means that keyword targeting means we will give some specific keywords to Amazon and we will ask Amazon to show our product on these keywords. This is called keyword targeting. And product targeting means we will give some products to Amazon. We will say to Amazon that please show up our products with these similar products in sponsor tab, as we see in the bottom of the product listing. So let's proceed with the keyword targeting. Here I will add some keywords manually, or also we can select from keywords here. For example, this is a pajamas for women. I can just select on add. This is a broad keyword, this is a phrase, and this is for exact. Broad exact mean that when someone will search this keyword with the same spelling, then my product will appear. Amazon will charge for that 0.17 pound. Phrase mean that if someone will search this keyword in some phrase, then Amazon will display my product in top, then I will pay to Amazon 0.11 pounds. And broad means that if someone will search um, pajamas and he would never write women, this is called the broad keyword. It means that if the buyer will use any broad keyword related to my product and it will include any of these two keywords, then I will pay Amazon 0.08 pounds to display my product in top. Let me tell you, for this one I think this keyword will make clear everything. For example, this is the latest pajama. Exact means that if someone search this keyword exact, same these spellings, if Amazon will appear my product in top display, then I will pay to Amazon 0.17 pound. If someone use this keyword in phrase, then I will pay to Amazon to display my product in top, sponsored 0.11 pound. And if someone use this broad keyword, means that he should use ladies only or pajamas only. And if Amazon will display my product in top, then I will pay to Amazon 0.06. So I can just add keywords from here by the proper research. As I told you, you need to do it. And from here you can just set the bid. Amazon is suggesting bid 0.29 and I have the bid 0.29, 0.11 and I have the 0.11. I can just increase the bid if I want. And here Amazon is telling the match type, broad, phrase and broad that I selected from here. I can also enter the keywords manually. For example, women clothes. You will put comma, the second keyword, women, just telling you for example, and then you will click on add keywords. Okay, you will need to add 3 keywords at least. Products, and then click on add keywords. So Amazon will 03 keywords on report. Okay, I think there is some error. Just wait a second. I think they are just giving the error due to comma. Yeah, and Amazon is asking for the bid. If I want to add the bid with 0.1, then I will just click on add keywords, and Amazon will add all these keywords here. All right. And upload file means if you have the keywords in XLSX file, you can upload that file from here. So this is called the manual keyword manual campaign. So in start you should run the automatic campaigns. Keep in mind here negative exact, negative phrase. It means that those keywords on which my product should not display in sponsored, you can add those keywords here. And also I have explained already dynamic bid down only, dynamic bid up and down, and fixed bids. We have explained this already. And here you have to set the budget same and when this campaign will end up. Now I will suggest you when you are in your starting phase of selling on Amazon, please run the automatic campaigns at least for 1 month or 2 months, but definitely for 3 months at least. Okay, this is that we have to discuss, so this is what we have to do today. So if you have any question about these topics, please do not hesitate to ask. This lecture is getting too long, so let's end up here. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask in comment box. I will love to answer your queries. Thank you so much. Do not forget to follow.